Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my ball cap. But before we get to the video, I highly suggest that you guys subscribe to my channel and also thumbs up this video. Okay guys, so let's get started. So what you're going to need is your stocking cap, your got-to-be gel, and a blow dryer. So right now I'm just showing you guys my braiding pattern. I just braided my hair straight to the back and one braid across because I am going to be using a full lace wig. Now, right now I'm just applying got2b gel to my hairline, and I usually do this before I put the cap on so I can push back all my baby hairs. So once I do that, then I apply the cap. Okay guys, now that I apply my cap, what I do is put two little holes in by the ear area so that so it makes it easier when I put my got2b gel on, that my side taps won't just roll up after, after I'm done drying my got2b gel. So I like to do this because it is so much easier, because I used to have a hard time with keeping my size down, and I just came up with this method again to help keep the size down. Okay guys, so once I have applied all the got2b gel that I need, I just take my blow dryer and dry it completely. But usually if I don't have anywhere to go, I just let it air dry. But if I'm in a rush, I just kind of blow dry it with the blow dryer. Okay guys, so because I am putting on a full lace wig, I am going to sew down my back so that my wig can look natural throughout the whole wig. Usually I don't sew down the back, but again, I am wearing a full lace wig, and that's why I'm sewing down the back. Okay guys, so now that the glue is completely dry, I'm gonna begin to cut the cap, the extra cap that is left over. And all I do is basically just go across and just cut the cap, and you want to try to cut the cap as close as possible to where you applied the glue at, because if you have like that extra cap left over, you would definitely see it through your wig. Okay, so now that I'm done cutting my cap, I am going to put a little of my powder on my cap to make my cap look more of my skin tone. And I'm just going to put that powder all over my cap because again, I am putting on a full lace wig. Okay guys, I am almost finished putting the powder onto my cap, and once I'm done that, I am done with my ball cap. So you guys let me know what you thought of my ball cap method, and also make sure you guys thumbs up this video, and also make sure you check out the other videos on my channel.